Hello everybody. So today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about we need to find the distance between the parallel planes. So we have this one and this one. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to draw the diagram in here. So in this situation, we have two parallel planes in here. Now, I will select about this plane. We need to select one point on this plane in here, and later that from this point, we need to find the distance to this point to this planes. And we know that the distance from the point of this plane to that plane, that is about the distance between two planes in here. Now I will select about one point on this plane. So I will use about y equal to number 0, z equal to number 0. So if we put number 0 go to here, and we just have only 10x equals to number 5. So we divide both sides by number 10, and we have 1 over 2. So I will put point A in here, and this is about point A. Now we need to find the distance between A and this one. I will put about alpha. So number 1 I will put on the left. So the formula of the distance, that is about the absolute value we put in here, as plus by plus cz plus d, and this one we have the square root of a square plus b square plus c square. Now a b c d, that is about this one, and the s y z, that is about point 8, 1 over 2, 0, 0. Now we put the numbers in here. So we calculate this one, and we have the square root of number 3 over 6. So this one, that is about the distance between two planes in here. That is the end. Thank you for watching.